Ever had someone on Snapchat that you no longer want on your friend list? No worries. Today, I will show you how to remove friends on Snapchat. In just a few easy steps, let's get started. The easiest way to remove someone is straight from your chat list. Is first to open Snapchat. Swipe right to open the chat screen. Find the friends you want to remove. Press and hold their name. Then tap Manage Friendship. Tap Remove Friend and confirm. And just like that, they are gone from your friend list. So if they don't show up in your chat, you can remove them from your friend list like this. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon first and then go on My Friend. Scroll or search for the person name. Tap and hold their name. Select Manage Friendship and remove friend. And that's it. They won't see your private story or snaps anymore. If you don't just want to remove them but also stop them from contacting you, you can choose block instead of remove friend. This way they won't be able to find you on Snapchat at all. And that's how you clean up your Snapchat friend list in just a few taps. So if this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and let me know in the comment box.